Guys, I'm gonna be doing numbers and letters. So yeah, all the way to 10. So yeah. First letter is 1. Oops. Why is 1 in that weird shape? Hold on, I gotta fix that. We're just gonna do yeah, there you go. Now we can do 1. There we go. 1. And we got uppercase, and we're gonna bring out lowercase I. There we go. Now I'm gonna be mixing uppercase. I'm gonna be mixing 1 with I, not the lowercase I. I'm gonna do the lowercase ones later, but yeah, 1 and I. They both have lines, so and people draw their lines like this. But what if we gave one like this, but then this? Boom, bada, bam, bada, boom. Has officially became one of them. Now, next one we're doing is B with 2. 2 with who? Who should 2 be with? Honestly, don't know. 2 with uppercase. Should it be B? What does 2 mostly look like? Why not use B? I mean, yeah, I was really not thinking about it. Really was. So we're gonna draw 2 straight like that, but then kinda add like a line in the middle with like that, and then yeah. As you can see, there is a 4. As you can see, because 2 times 2 equals 4, or just 2 plus 2. Yeah, I'm sorry for, I don't know what this monstrosity is. Next one is 3. So come up 3 with E, because I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just saying 3 with E for some reason. So we're just, and also, we're just gonna do this. I realized we're just gonna do this, and we're just gonna do like kind of like 3s. There we go. And then we're just gonna do the actual number behind it. There you go. Now we got this monstrosity that I for some reason made. So we're moving on to 4. I feel like we should do D for 4. I don't know why, but D kind of sounds like a good way for 4. Now, I didn't draw my 4 like this. We're gonna do that. Do this. And do that. Now, look at this. Now, meet the 4 mixed with the, yeah, literally, I don't know what I made. Anyways, we're just gonna move on to 5. And yes, you're gonna be thinking, why not use E for 5? I don't know, okay? I have no idea. I for some reason gonna use G though. Oops, no. I almost did CG5. G's, come up here, G's. There we go. We're literally halfway. This video is basically almost done. So I feel like we should do this. Kind of do like that. But then kind of like go like in there. This is, I actually kind of like how this turned out. Now we're moving on to numbers. I was about to say letter 6. There is no letter 6. There's only a number 6. And I don't know, I'm just using random numbers, or we're just going to use S. literally have no idea, so I'm literally just gonna use S because I feel like S would be good. So we're just gonna start off with like that. But like that. Like that. Boom. Bop. And there you go. Meet this guy. Yeah, I don't know what to call him. Now we're on number 7. I was about to say letter 7. Why not use J? And yes, I use J because of me, okay? I don't know why I just chose 7 though. I feel like I could have chose any random number. Or well, we're just gonna do this, that. Boom! That is the most fastest way I made it. Yeah. Sometimes I do write my J's like that, like when I'm just really busy and I have to write really fast. On to the next ones, which is 8. I probably should have used G, but no, we're using F. I'm sorry, I'm just choosing random numbers. So we're just gonna do this, and then straight down the middle with an F of this. Boom. Now, whatever. I actually know. I'm actually proud of this. The other ones that I made, I'm actually proud of. I'm kind of proud of this. It's just that what bothers me is this, which I cannot fix, so it just stays there. So, yeah. Now we're on number 9. There we go. And I feel like we should do M. Oops, I meant to put the lowercase m. There we go. And now we're just gonna, I'm gonna draw it my 9 way. Start with this, but then we're gonna just do M. We're gonna add a circle on top. M. And circle on top. There we go. We're actually gonna add 2 circles right here. And a couple more M's. And boom. There you go. Actually, I actually hate that. I actually hate that so much. I want to get rid of it. Anyways, yeah, like we're just gonna draw half of it. So now, could it be like an upside down M, and then this over here. Yeah, there you go. Much better. I actually like this more better. And then yes, I'm only doing it from 1 to 10. And number 10 is the last one. If you guys want me to do a part 2 of this, then just tell me in the comments. Now, since that we did M, I want to do W. Okay, almost done. We're just gonna have the 0 up top with the uppercase W. There we go. Now we're just gonna connect this like that. We're gonna connect. There we go. And then I realized something bad. Hold up. Okay, I realized if we're gonna connect these two, we gotta move the W a little bit more farther. Because, 10 is gonna yeah, okay. Now, there we go. Much better. Now the W can come closer, and yes. This is mine, so 1 to 10. First off, we got 1 with I, 2 with B, 3 with E, 4 with D, 5 with G, 6 with S, 7 with J, 8 with F, 9 with M, and 10 with W. which kind of does not make sense. But yeah, so just tell me in the comments if you guys want a part 2. Yeah. Bye, guys. Have a great day.